Hey administrators, thanks for coming back to dsquarehelp to have something to take away. In today's video, we are going to understand what's the database software. But before that, if you are new to this channel, I request you to subscribe to the channel as we don't follow a traditional PPT approach to learn the concepts. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Let us assume you want to create a resume. What do you do? Anyone who created a resume in your computer, what do you do? You want to create a resume? Yep. Anyone?
Use a Word file for typing resume.
Okay. How do you get Word?
That is a software, MS software.
How do you get MS software?
We will install the files of the software.
Before installing, do you do anything?
We have an operating system. On operating system, we will install the software.
Yeah. Point number 1, download MS Office. MS Office software. I want to create a resume. What is the first thing that I'll do? I'll download MS Office software from internet. What is the second thing that I do? I'll install it. Where do you install MS Office software? Generally speaking, where we'll install? We'll install it in this location. C, program files, MS Office. 99.9% cases, we don't change the default installation location for any software we install in our computer. We want to play a video file, we want to play an MP4 file. What we'll do, you'll download and install VLC player. Where you'll install it? You'll install it C, program files, video LAN. For example, if it is a VLC player, C, program files, and video LAN. This is the software name. You want to install Picasa for your photo editing, C, program files, and Picasa, for example. Whatever you do, this is where you install your software. After installation, number 3, you may get a Word document shortcut on your desktop. What do? Invoke Word application. Invoke Word application. Then fourth thing, what do? You write or edit your resume. You write or edit your resume. What is the fifth step that you'll do? Save it. Where you'll save it? Anyone? You'll save
Any
it in
drive.
C. Yeah, you'll save it in C, program files, MS Office, bin under that myname.doc. No, right? We don't save it in this location. We never touch this location. We'll save it in D, my docs, my resume.doc. Is this clear so far?
Yes.
Yes. You want to play with your resume, you download it, install it in the default location, invoke an application, do whatever stuff you want, and save it in some other location which is feasible for me. You want to watch a movie, right? You'll download a movie and you save it in D, my movies, and ABC movie name.mp4, and you have your VLC player installed in C, program files, VLC player, isn't it? correct? And whatever the software you install, you follow the same fundamental rule. Whatever the software you install, you follow the same fundamental rule. You install it in the default location, and upon successful installation, you'll get a folder called bin. Inside that, you will have a word.exe, or you will have the same word.exe shortcut on your desktop, whatever it may be. You invoke it, you create your resume in this location. You create your resume in this location. So this is going to be your installation location, and this is going to be your creation location, document creation location. Are we clear?
Yes.
And your database is no exception. Database is just a piece of software. Like any other software you install in your computer, it is not a rocket science again. It is just a piece of software. What you'll do, you download database software, Oracle, let us say, from internet. You download it from internet. You install it. Where you'll install it? U01 app Oracle product 1220/db home _1. You install it in this location. Then what you will do, upon successful installation, you will have bin, and then under bin you have your dbca.exe. Using that dbca, you create your database. Fourth, where you'll create it? Under this location? Definitely not. You'll create in some other location. ORA data/test, or like U01/test, or like whatever it may be, whatever /test. Is this clear?
Yes.
So I have taken all the pain to download and install my software, to create my resume. So it is my responsibility to take care of these two locations. Why I need to take care of this location? If there is no location, I can't edit this. If I lose this, I have to start it from the scratch. So either of this location is gone, I can't do anything. So as a person who downloaded this software, it is my responsibility to take care of these two locations. So what is your responsibility as a database administrator? It is nothing but take care of this location and take care of this location. That's it. So what are your responsibilities as a database administrator? In interview, you can tell 3 pages responsibilities, but if you ask me, I can tell you have only one responsibility. That is protect data. That is the only responsibility you have. How do you protect data? You have n number of things to do. To protect your data. What is one of those n number of things? Backup your data. One of the things that you do to protect your data. So I've taken all the pain, download, install. So what is my responsibility? This. How can I ensure that these two locations are safe? How can I ensure that? You can ensure that these two locations are safe by understanding the contents of these two locations. So when you open this, you have few DBF files, few CTL files, few LOG files. So just understand them physically and logically. What is this file? Why it is there? What happens if I lose this file? What are the contents of this file? What is this file? What happens if I lose? What is this file? What happens if I lose? What is this location? If I go to this location, I have something called DBCF. What is that file is all about? What is the tool is all about? What is this tool? What is this tool? I've got a bunch of tools here. So go to this location, understand each and every tool. That's it. So what is database administration? Understanding these two locations and the files and folders inside it, both logically and physically. That is your table of contents. That is going to be your table of contents. So if you already know how to deal with your MS Office, you already know how to deal with your database. So database is not anything else. Database is just a software. Download, install, any change you did here. If you compare it with your MS Office, if you are already a database administrator with 0 to 3 years experience, you might have already done few things knowingly or unknowingly. Have you ever installed or sent your data files to this location? Have you ever done that? So that is your database administration and the responsibilities of a database administrator.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you wanted to learn database administration from the scratch, please do subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much.